Hi, welcome to this video of the 1 minute workshop software feature series where in 1 minute we show you a feature inside of workshop software. Today we're going to talk about split invoices. This is an awesome feature where, for example, you've got one job or one invoice and you want to split it across two customers. So this is awesome for things like fleet work, it could be insurance, etc. So anywhere where you want to have more than one customer on a job. So I'm going to go into the job center. I've got this particular job in here already pre-configured. I've already made it up where we've got a service on there. This is for the customer of Fleet Partners. So this vehicle is owned by Fleet Partners. So this is a fleet job, and we've got all of these items here are service items, but the customer's hit the curb and needed a wheel alignment. So the customer is actually going to pay for the wheel alignment. So what we're going to do is if we go up here a little bit and we go to the star action here, we can go split, right? And what this does is if I go split and then I can search for my customer. So this is actually John Allsop's vehicle. I could put an excess if this was insurance, for example, and an insurance job, I could put an excess amount in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that customer is going to pay for this particular part of the wheel alignment. So we're going to put the quantity that customer is going to pay. We go split, and what this does, this goes and splits this transaction now, and it will create two jobs essentially, or two, they're actually aligned to each other, or they're against each other, they are tied to each other. And you'll notice in here now that what happens is you'll be able to see that it's actually been split. So if you'll notice at the top, it's got this invoice was split from another. To view the original invoice, click here. So you can actually click there and go and actually view the other invoice. So the split invoice. So you can swap between the two. So this is the invoice for the fleet company, right? So for fleet company partners, if I click here, this will be the invoice for John. So this is open up John's invoice. And there you go. There's the wheel alignment for Job. So the two things are aligned to each other or tied to each other. That will happen for if I finalize these transactions, you'll still be able to see that they're split and swap between the two transactions. That's split invoices. Thanks.